I always knew in my mind I wanted to teach. So as I'm building all this knowledge, starting businesses, failing, starting businesses, being successful, I always knew I wanted to teach, man. I wanted to help people that come from the struggle. And even if you didn't come from the struggle and you slipped and you lost your way, you can get back up. And even if you middle class, you can get hired in the middle class if you follow the certain steps that you need to take. You know what I'm saying? And if you got dreams, dreams ain't the way to go, man. Have goals. Goals is something that you put steps in place and you can take them to get to your goals. And if that ain't what you trying to do, I don't even know what to tell you, man. But it's luck for you today because I'm here to help y'all. You know what I'm saying? You can learn. I'm willing to teach y'all the things that I went through, the things I had to do. I had to sacrifice. I wasn't going out every weekend, hanging out, drinking. Nah, man, I was working. Still working. I work 7 days a week now. I love it. It's the journey. I don't care about all that fun stuff. That being happy, that stuff is fake, man. Happiness is a momentary thing, man. Just like being full. You eat enough, you gonna get full, you be hungry again. Happiness, something make you happy 1 second, you could drop your phone and be mad the next. Happiness is fake, man. The journey and building up a legacy, whether you're a man or woman, something that you can live for, something that you could be proud of, that means everything. And if it don't, hey, I mean, choose the path you want to go down. But whoever watching this video, I hope that's where you want to go. You want to build a legacy for yourself. You know what I'm saying? And that could just be, hey, Jim was a hard worker. Johnny was a hard worker. Raheem was a hard worker. It can be anything. You don't have to get to the super top of society, but you can get to the top that you got for yourself. And that's all that matters. Nobody can take that away from you. And when you get to the top that you got for yourself, you could keep getting higher. You could keep getting better. Learn more, do more. Try to add another skill to what you're doing. We're going to be talking about all that on this channel, man. From news, from business. I don't even like saying side hustles, but side jobs, side businesses you could do, part-time jobs you could get, how to elevate, what skills you're going to need for the future with AI coming in to play. We're going to be talking about a lot, man, how to self-improve. Going to be breaking down some stuff with different videos and celebrities. I got a lot of stuff coming from my other channel because my other channel is just going to be a short channel. This channel going to be predominantly for the long form. And yeah, man, we going to get to it, man. We going to talk about it. The school is launching this year. We already got about 10 courses done. Yeah, we already got about 10 courses done. I already got 2 books finished. Got another half written. The reason why I put the 2 books out, or I retracted 1 book I put out, but I just ain't like the way I marketed it. I wasn't posting on my IG for a while, so the page is kind of dying. I mean, I got to revamp that stuff up, man. It's kind of hard, man. We got a lot of business going on to try to move everything over to content creation because my businesses didn't need content creation. You know what I'm saying? So for the last couple of years, I've been trying to switch that over, but while I'm doing that, I'm still starting new businesses, investing, changing over staff, doing this, doing that, and it's only 24 hours in a day, man. Got time for work, family, and then you got children. You know what I mean? Like, it's a lot, you know what I mean? But yeah, we'll be back with another video, man. We're going to be hitting these things hard.